Venturing into the mystical realm of alchemy is like unlocking a secret code, a hidden conversation between the earth and the cosmos. At its heart is the Philosopher's Stone, not just a mythical relic, but the pulsing heart of alchemy's quest for transformation. This journey isn't merely about turning lead into gold or chasing after immortality. It's a deeper exploration, a quest from darkness into light, seeking not just the secrets of the material world, but the enigmas of the soul. Picture alchemy as humanity's first whisper to the unknown, born in the ancient sands of Egypt and echoing through time and across continents. A message shared with Chinese Taoists, Indian sages, and medieval European mystics, each culture weaving their own insights and desires into the narrative. In China, it melded with Taoism and medicine. In India, it sought the elixir of life, while in the West, it reached for something even more elusive, a spiritual awakening. Alchemists saw their own reflections in the stars and the earth's metals, each one linked to a celestial sphere. Gold with its sun-like radiance and silver with its moon-like luminescence suggested a deeper unity, a secret thread that binds all of existence. Each element, earth, air, fire, and water, carries its own symbolism and associations, deeply intertwined with the alchemist's quest for transformation. They combine to create every physical substance and embody the essence of life itself. Earth represents stability, grounding in the material realm. It symbolizes the solid foundation upon which all alchemists' work is built, embodying the essence of physicality and manifestation. In alchemical symbolism, Earth is often depicted as a square or cube, reflecting its stable and structured nature. Air signifies intellect, communication, and the realm of the mind. It represents the power of thought and the breath of life, carrying with it the potential for clarity, insight, and inspiration. Alchemically, air is associated with the concept of volatility, symbolizing the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the intellect. Fire embodies passion, energy, and transformation. It represents the spark of creativity and the drive for spiritual enlightenment. Fire is the catalyst for change in the alchemical process, symbolizing the intense heat and purification required to transmute base metals into gold, both literally and metaphorically. Water symbolizes emotion, intuition, and the subconscious mind. It represents the flow of energy and the capacity for purification and renewal. Water is associated with the concept of dissolution, signifying the process of breaking down barriers and releasing impurities to reveal the essence within. In addition to these classical elements, alchemy often incorporates celestial elements, such as the sun and the moon, as well as quintessence or ether, the fifth element, representing the divine or spiritual essence that transcends the material world. Ether is often associated with the divine or spiritual realm. It is considered the medium through which spiritual energies and influences flow, connecting the material world with higher planes of existence. Sometimes depicted as the substance through which celestial bodies move, and it is believed to be the carrier of light and energy. The process of turning lead into gold mirrors our own journey to discover the light within the darkness, to refine and elevate our own spirits. The Philosopher's Stone thus becomes more than an object. It embodies the pinnacle of achievement, not in material wealth or longevity, but in insight and awakening. Alchemists remind us that the pursuit of knowledge is also a spiritual journey, that in seeking to understand the world we also strive to comprehend ourselves. In the shadowed corners of alchemy, beyond the quest for gold or the search for eternal life, lie endeavors as captivating as they are complex. These pursuits, though less sung, are threads in the rich tapestry of alchemical ambition, weaving together the material and the mystical in a quest to unlock the universe's secrets. Consider the alchemist, alchemy's dream of a universal solvent, so powerful it could dissolve anything in its path, even gold. But the alchemist wasn't just about breaking down matter. It was a metaphor for reaching the essence of things, for finding the primal material from which all could be born anew. It's a deeply poetic concept, truly, capturing a longing to reveal the unity hidden beneath the world's apparent diversity, a singular thread woven through the maze of existence. Then there's the tincture of the philosophers, a concoction said to heal any ailment and reverse the aging process. More than an elixir of life, the tincture was about restoration and balance, bringing the body back to a state of perfect health. It highlights the alchemist's belief in the deep bond between body and soul, emphasizing their view that real transformation, whether of metal, mind, or flesh, demands harmony between the two. Multiplication in alchemy wasn't about arithmetic, but enhancing the Philosopher's Stone's potency. This process promised to transform not just a few base metals, but to do so on a grand scale, efficiently and abundantly. It speaks to a nuanced understanding of transformation as a process that can be refined and amplified. Projection was the moment of truth, where a fragment of the Philosopher's Stone introduced to molten metal would reveal its power by transmuting the base into noble gold. It hints at an early grasp of catalysis, the idea that a small spark can ignite a profound change. A concept is true in personal growth as it is in chemical reactions. Venturing into the realm of plants, the vegetable stone represented an attempt to apply alchemical transformation to the botanical world. This endeavor sought to distill essences that could promote health and longevity, marrying the alchemist's workbench with the garden's growth. It's an early nod to what we might now call herbal medicine, rooted in the belief that nature herself is a vast alchemical laboratory. The cosmic dance turns our gaze skyward, planets wheel in their silent orbits. This celestial ballet was not mere backdrop, but a vital chorus to the alchemist's work. Metals weren't just substances to be transformed, they were imbued with the essence of the stars themselves. Gold radiates the sun's vitality, while silver echoes the moon's ethereal whisper. Bronze stands firm with the earth's resilience. Copper crackles with lightning's energy. Platinum gleams with starry wisdom. Diamonds sparkle with celestial purity. Emeralds breathe life into forests. Rubies ignite with solar passion. Opals shimmer with aurora hues. Topaz glows with desert warmth. Moonstones reflect moonbeams' gentleness. Pearls hold ocean secrets. Aquamarine soothes with calm waters. Jade pulses with ancient vitality. Each element whispers tales of magic and wonder, woven into the fabric of nature's enchantment. This cosmic connection speaks to an ancient intuition that everything is woven from the same star thread, where the macrocosm mirrors the microcosm. Beneath the crucibles and alembics, alchemy harbors a more intimate quest, the transformation of the self. This spiritual alchemy is a journey not of substances but of soul, where the alchemists seek to distill their essence, to purify and integrate the shadow, aiming for an inner gold. It's a path of enlightenment where the material of our lives, the trials and tribulations, become the raw ingredients for personal transformation, leading us to discover the Philosopher's Stone within. Alchemy communicates in a language of symbols, a cryptic alphabet that speaks of cycles of death and rebirth, of unity and duality. The Ouroboros, a serpent devouring its tail, whispers of eternity and the cyclical nature of the universe, while the phoenix rising from ashes sings of resurrection and renewal. Alchemy in all its facets invites us to look deeper, to see beyond the surface, and to find the magic woven into the fabric of the world. For the most significant mysteries are not found in distant galaxies or buried in the earth, but within us, awaiting discovery. Humanfluence out.